Hi all, welcome back to our channel Sri Madhura Arts. This time we shall see how to fix our favorite dolls using Fevicryl molded clay and the carving machine. Taking molded clay, rinsing base and hardener in equal amounts, mix them well and roll them evenly. Applying Fevicryl onto the broken part of the doll, put over the clay around it and press it firmly. Similarly, to be done with the other part of the doll. Join the doll and press them firmly from all the sides. Press the clay from the upper part of the doll towards downwards and lower part of the doll towards upward so that it blends together. Once joined, leave it for drying. With triangle carving tool, I have carved this doll. The link of this carving tool is given in the description box. Pressing the steel button, you can change the tool in the upper part. Once you switch on button, you can start carving accordingly. While carving, the extra part of the clay is automatically removed so that it gives shape to the doll. After removing the extra of the hair, I gave curves to the hair part. This way the doll is restored easily. Hope you all liked it. Thank you.